Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your dice in Ludo King. So I'm going to show you how to change it and I answer the question of whether you can change it in game or not. So first of all, let's go online to play a game. So we're going to go in and play a game here, and so if you want to change your dice, we can see at the top there right now the green one is selected. So if you select and tick them boxes, them circles at the top right there, then you're going to, whichever one you want to pick, you want to click on them right there, and that's how you change the dice, the color of them right there, and then you can click play once you're done, and then it will search your player for a game. Now, as if you can change in game or not, is actually right now, unless you have a hack or a cheat or something like that, it's not possible to change the color of the dice in game right here. So right now you see I clicked the blue, so I'm only going to have blue. That person had green, so you're going to click green. You can't actually change it within the game. So leave a like on the video if that information did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos in Ludo King and other ones similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.